Hi all, welcome in Knowledge Kida. Today we will see what to do if we face memory management issue, blue screen error. In that you will these errors due to some drive failures. In this video I will show you one example of audio driver. So let's get started. Why this memory management issue occurs? Why this blue screen comes? These are few reasons: software or hardware conflict, virus infection, faulty video driver, faulty memory, disk errors, corrupted system files. In that, we will see the driver error. So, when you search device manager, you will see that device manager. Open that. In that, Intel high definition audio driver showing that warning symbol. If any driver shows warning symbols, that means it needs to be updated. So see here, my all the Windows updates are complete. So first right click on that, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. If that works, that's okay. If not works, go to Google, search driver easy, then go to that first link. This is the page of driver easy. Scroll down, go to light and download this. Then that downloaded executable file, open that by double clicking. Then select language as you want. Click on continue. Open driver easy. Click on scan. It scans all the drivers. So in this, see that we need to update the Realtek high definition audio. Click on update. Don't click on update all. It's need to be upgraded. So click on update and select here manually create, because automatically only update available for upgraded version. You need to pay for that. So click select manual create, then continue. It will download all the things that required for drivers. Then in step 3, driver install, manually install, and click on continue. When you click, then it will go to directly in files. So in files, copy that path as it is. To again click on right click on that, click on update driver, browse my computer, paste that path here, click on next, then it will install all the drivers. Your driver is updated. Now close. Thank you.